Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set alarm on Android phone, especially in Samsung phone. Let's get started. First of all, go to your clock app on your phone. Then there will be four options for you. You can choose alarm or world clock, stopwatch, and timer. And since we want to set up alarm, we can choose this option. Then after that, we can click on this plus button, and you have to put the alarm name right here. For example, I'm going to type wake up like this, and after that, pick the time when you want your alarm ring right here, and you gotta scroll your screen until you find the time that you want like this. And we can also pick the alarm date by clicking on this calendar button and choose the date that you like. After that, you can click on done right here. Alright, and if you want to set a repeat alarm, you can tap the days you would like your alarm to repeat on. You can tap the days, or you can choose the days right here, like this. Alright guys, and we can also set the alarm sound by clicking on this alarm sound option right here. And you can choose the sound that you like by clicking on ringtone option, and you can explore it by yourself guys. After you finish setting your alarm, you can click on save button to save the alarm. Alright guys, that's how we can set alarm on Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.